So here we are leaving Ogallala, Nebraska. We're heading to Salina, Kansas, and I think it's absolutely beautiful here. But it is incredibly windy, the same thing like in Wheatland, Wyoming. It's almost makes it unbearable. It almost makes it like it's snowing, even though it's not. As you can see, it's nice and sunny, but it's about 45 degrees, and the weather is really bad, and the wind is hard to deal with. The wind is one of those things you don't think about all the time. The wind was really bad on I-80 heading east, so we decided to drop down onto one of these other small highways connecting Nebraska and Kansas, and we're still on our way to Salina. There was big rigs overturned on the highway. There was many big rigs like being threatened by the wind where they're almost tipping over. So hopefully we can get south of this wind. It's been unbearable for the last couple days.
Could be the time of the year, you know. Maybe this time of the year it's winter. Maybe if we come back here another time it's gonna be nicer. But I like the landscape. Lots of cows, and really the people so far, everybody that we encounter have been really nice. Someone said, "Hi, love." Oh, so cute. In Seattle, nobody will say that to me. They will barely look at me.
Everyone has been really friendly. One thing we've noticed here since we got into, I don't know, not Montana, but since we got really into the Midwest here, is we noticed that everything is slowed way down. The pace is slowed way down, and when you interact with people, you have to slow down and just not be in a hurry, because then you want to get things done, but nobody else is trying to get things done. They're just kind of real slow about it. Yeah, we're not.
It feels good, because what is the hurry anyway?
Yeah, it's easy going. That's what I mean. What's up, everyone? We're here in Salina, Kansas, and we're just going to show you the place that we're staying here. This is a 1920s farmhouse, and I'm going to show you the house, what it's like. It's a keyed entry. We got some really good, hopefully, barbecue coming from something barbecue hut. Looks like it's gonna be some really good stuff from what we're guessing, and it better be.
Yeah, we're hungry.
Otherwise, we got lots of guns to take care of business. Just kidding. Toast. That's toast. Coleslaw.
Salad.
Sweet potato fries.
Potato salad.
Potato salad.
Maybe the barbecue sauce.
I think that's pork right there.
Oh.
This is brisket and ribs, right?
I think this is brisket, this is pork,
Oh,
this is ants, and this is... Yeah.
yeah, so.
Hey. I can't wait anymore.
All right. You don't know what talent is until you make what talent tells you it's going to be. When you make it, tell it that what you say it was going to be. Okay. So we've been going from city to city, and this cat, we've been taking it to motels, and this is what it does, It's been here for like 5 minutes, and it's up on the highest point. It's up on the kitchen counters.
She owns the place.
Yeah.
You own the place? Hmm? You do? Come back here, monster.
Yeah, this is Wisdom. She's a nice old girl. She's like 14 or I don't know what, 14 or 15.
So much than 14 since we start counting.
Yeah, but she's right up on the counter, and she's not hiding at all. She's very comfortable. She turned out to be a lot better traveler than we thought.
Yeah, better than the baby.
Yeah, much better than the baby.
And the daddy.
I was just watching. I was gonna play with her. Whoa, she got sick there. Did you get too sick? Did you see that?
Yeah.